I'm Julianna, owner of Space Camp Organizing. Since we're all spending a little more time at home these days, I thought that I'd organize my home office and bring you along for the ride. My husband and I both work from home and we share an office. And sometimes I feel like my desk is more of a glorified storage space. So today I'm going to organize it so we can actually feel like we can work in here full time and get something done. The first step I'm taking today is to get your desktop nice and clean so you can focus. To organize your desk drawers, first take everything out and sort it into categories. Once you've taken everything out of your drawers and categorized, it's time to measure and add some product in. The Container Store is available online and can ship items directly to your house. I like drawer dividers because they create a little home for every single office supply. Once your dividers are in, put everything back, keeping items in categories. Store extra paper or items that you need to deal with in a to-do box near your desk. This keeps clutter off the surface, but still close at hand. When I'm working from home, I find that I'm most productive when I have an actual handwritten schedule and to-do list for the day. Having these right on my desk keeps me focused and on track. If you have really uncomfortable chairs in your office, swap them out for something that you can actually sit and work longer in. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you feel more organized and calm during your time at home. What home office organizing challenges are you facing at home? Comment below and I'll help you figure them out. And for more inspiration, head to containerstore.com.